Ready to transform your ideas into stunning documents? Discover how to harness the power of Canva Docs in this easy-to-follow guide. Whether you are crafting a resume, a presentation, or a social media post, we will show you tips and tricks to make your project pop. Say goodbye to boring templates and hello to professional-looking designs in just a few clicks. Join us and unleash your creativity today. So hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to use Canva Docs. So the first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into canva.com, and this is the homepage as you can see. So Canva is a graphic design platform that allows users to create a wide variety of visual content, including documents, presentations, social media graphics, and more. Canva Docs is a feature within Canva specifically designed for creating text-based documents, combining the simplicity of a word processor with the design flexibility of Canva. Users can easily incorporate images, graphics, and templates to enhance their documents, making it an ideal tool for both personal and professional projects. So let's get started. The first step that you have to do is just signing up or creating an account. So the thing that you have to do is add your email address and your password. Then you get started with canva.com. If you already have an account, you click over here and you click over home and you will find this page. Alright, so this is it. Right now you have just to click over docs and you will find this page as you can see. So this is the page of creating a docs on Canva or creating a folder on Canva. So the things that you have to do right now, I'll just for example add something here. So right now we don't have a title here. I will just add a title. We'll add for example book. Then you will select the book and it will modify the size. For example, I will select here 72. Then I will select as a bold. The color I will select the blue one. Then I will also add here the option of list. Then I'll put it in the middle. I will just click over. So I'll just click over here. It's increase indent and I'll put it in the middle. Alright, this is it, how it looks. Right now I will just come back and I will add a first heading like that. I'll modify the size or also I'll put it here for example 36. I'll put for example 48 and it's a first heading. And also I will select the option italic and I will select the color which is the gray one. And here we have it. When I will just add it, for example I will add definition like that. Then here we have it. Right now I will just for example here we have this one. I will just add another subheading. Select the color also. Then we add here benefits of reading books. And here we have it. Right now I will just put the text in the same color. I will select the black one like that. I will do the same for this one. As you can see, right now I will just add a subheading. For example, I will just add here, for example, conclusion. But I will put it underline. And here we have typed logs. Right now, for example, if you want to add other things like templates, elements, for example, here we have elements like books. For example, I will add this one or this one. You can add also this one. So you can just add whatever you want. You can search also, you will find all things that you want. For example, this one, I'll put it like that. Then we have also this one. This is how it looks. As you can see, also we have here the option of print. You can just add logos, fonts, print voice, photos, graphics, icons, and other things. Then we have here, if you want to upload something, you can use image here. For example, you can just click over here and upload something on you from your computer, or also you can use social media. Just connect your account, then you add video here if you want. Then here we have projects as well. Our projects, we have, for example, design, folders, images. So we have just to select the thing that you want, or project, or we have here shared with me, with you. Then you have your project as well. And then we have here the option of apps. So for example, you can just add here Facebook, Instagram, Google Ads, and other things. If you want to also add a QR code, you have just to enter a QR code here and generate the code and you add it here. Then also we have here if you want to zoom in, zoom out. As you can see. Then we have here the button share. For example, if you want to add people, groups, or email, then we have here, you choose the option if you want to. The first one, which is only you can access the design using this link, or here we have anyone can access the design using this link, no sign in required. And just here visit can view, can comment, or can edit. Then we have here the option of share. For example, save folder, save to folder, public view link, or download. So we click over see all as well. We have here public view, save to folder, embed website, and we have download. For example, about public view, you can just click over create link with watermarks, and you will find the link that you can achieve. You can just join it, sorry, and you will find it in your browser. For example, I will just click over create link with watermarks. Once you copy the link here and you have to paste it on the browser, you'll find this page. So Canva Docs empowers users to create visually appealing documents effortlessly. With its user-friendly interface and vast array of design tools, it bridges the gap between traditional word processing and creative design. Whether you are drafting reports, resumes, or presentations, Canva Docs allows you to express your ideas in a polished and engaging way. Dive in today and elevate your document creation experience. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I'll be happy to help you guys, and see you again in the next video, and have a fantastic day ahead.